Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iCloud and calendar sync so events appear across devices. This prevents duplicates. Next, open Apple Calendar and switch to week view to see patterns. Then create core day blocks, work, focused deep work breaks, and add 30-minute buffers between intense meetings. Once done, enable alerts and default alert times so you won't miss transitions. This initial setup saves time later and makes daily scheduling predictable and shareable with collaborators. Now create events directly in week view. Drag across the time slots to set duration and choose the calendar color so categories are visible. Make sure to add location, alert, and travel time when commuting is involved. These prevent conflicts. If a task repeats, set a recurrence rule to save manual entry later. Once set, use notes for checklist items and invite attendees or mark as busy to block the time. This detailed execution avoids accidental double booking and keeps context at hand. Finish by reviewing your day and adjusting durations and buffers based on what actually worked. This builds realistic estimates. Then share relevant calendars with teammates or family and set permission levels so others can view or edit. If something goes wrong, like events not syncing, toggle iCloud calendar off and on, ensure internet connectivity, and force quit calendar if needed. Those steps resolve most issues. Make a small daily habit of reviewing. Over time, your schedule becomes both accurate and effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.